I'm Fernando Plaza, Chief Digital Officer for Abu Dhabi Islamic Bank, in supporting the banking, our digital transformation, and all the innovations and fintech partnerships that we do. Our transformation journey started around 5 to 6 years ago, where we were one of the first banks to adopt cloud. That was a first step to start changing mindsets and to start changing the way that we work. A little bit after that, we continue our journey with our digital factory, and this was a key moment in time in terms of the transformation. We co-located software engineers, designers, business, risk, compliance, our Sharia department, all of them working together towards one goal. And ever since, this collaboration has evolved and has developed, and now we are a fairly strong retail bank. We have over 1 million customers using our mobile banking app. We have over 150 services, and we are able to drive innovations thanks to this collaboration. So even though we are a big bank, Islamic, fully compliant, we still see different ways of working and approaching collaboration to deliver value. Our digital team works very closely with everyone at the bank. So our digital team is a facilitator to deliver value for customers. So we work closely to the business, we work closely with every single department. And what we do is we bring the voice of the customer, and we bring what is a true market-leading digital experience. And our colleagues are bringing the expertise in banking, protecting our customers, our product expertise. And this combination of driving digital experience and key product innovation is producing fantastic results. As an example, is our fractional sukuks, a recent new product that we developed, in which instead of having to invest $200,000 to invest in a sukuk, which is the Islamic version of the bond, you can invest as little as $1,000 thanks to a fantastic innovation that was a close collaboration between ADIB and the several departments and the central bank. Even though there are differences, at the end of the day, all different markets and all different banks have to deliver value for customers. So this makes easy to align that at the end of the day, all the different departments, all the stakeholders, all the value that we have to deliver at the end is for the customer, our innovations. So in terms of the differences, we are ensuring that we put Islamic values and the customer at the center. And this makes it different because every product that we do, every innovation that we do, at the end delivers on the value for customers with our Sharia and Islamic principles. The GCC has advanced a lot in the last few years. I will say that maybe 10 to 10 years ago, we could have been a bit behind in terms of adoption, for example, data AI. But now, the GCC, especially the UAE, is a powerhouse in terms of artificial intelligence. There is a good alignment, private sector, public sector, to attract talent to the market. The country is growing, so the access to talent also is starting to be something that is sorted thanks to this effort from both private sector and public sector to attract talent. Same as investments in artificial intelligence, data. There is a lot of hyperscalers such as Microsoft, Google, Amazon that were not present here a few years ago, and they are here. So in terms of gap, a few years ago there may have been a gap, but now I think we closed the gap and we are at the same level that probably any Western market. So AI at the end is an enabler. We said this before, it's an enabler to deliver customer value. So the customer always will want things faster, with a better value, and things that are convenient to him. So AI needs to support this, whether it's an easier way to open a bank account fully digitally within a couple of taps, and then AI is enabling that. Is an option. If what the customer is looking for financing, AI can power that into so many fronts. If the customer wants to get a service, AI needs to power that. For example, either we are talking about a faster decision from our credit department, if we are talking about talking to an agent or talking to a chatbot, whatever the customer prefers. The end, AI needs to be at the service of the customer. As an Islamic bank, we are very conscious of also ensuring that the data and the policies and our Sharia principles are embedded into any decision making that we do. So we need to look at it from the customer lenses so AI can power customer value. So we take security and cybersecurity very seriously. As part of any effort that we do, it's at the heart of what we do. We are, for example, one of the pioneers in terms of digital anti-fraud capabilities, and the way that we protect the customers are part of every step that we take as an organization. For example, in terms of digital onboarding, we do all the checks manually and with AI as required. Whenever we do payments, we ensure through either facial recognition, through AML checks, that the payment is going to the right person and is not fraud attempt. So in the same way that we have been doing this in the past with technologies that we had at the time, today we apply new technologies to our cybersecurity and our capabilities. I'm excited as a customer because I'm going to be benefiting myself of all of these innovations, right? And I'm very excited about this fantastic moment that we have in the Middle East, where there is alignment between the regulator, alignment between the private sector, and alignment with the economy and the growth, so we can experiment in a safe way. I'm excited that you as a customer can have access to a doctor, a lawyer, at the touch of your fingerprints. We as a bank need to be delivering at that level, in which customers are going to be accessing an amount of services that has never seen before. So we need to be delivering at that level. But I think we are quite lucky because, as I said, in the UAE, we have a fantastic partnership between private sector, public sector, government, and regulator. In Dubai Fintech Summit, we find every single decision maker coming to this place. So it's a fantastic place to have conversations with people that are difficult to get onto. The quality of the speakers, the quality of the discussions are fantastic. And this is the place where we can get to understand each other. So what are the challenges? What are the opportunities? You talk to your peers. Everyone is here. Everyone is very energized. And what we take away from this event is validation, ideas, and acknowledgement that we are in the right direction.